half block from the gallery is the Casas Las Granadas apartment building. In front of it is a city-owned garden, the Jardin de las Granadas. It is a lovely pocket park across from the library and next to the downtown institution, the Coffee Cat. In the tiny terraced amphitheater garden are 4 sculptures by the American artist Aristides Demetrios: The Aura of the Book, Cosmos II, Lunar Cycle, and Inner City. Each sculpture is constructed from steel, and each is powder-coated, some, like Lunar Cycle, using several colors. A professional sculptor. Like so many youngsters, he wanted to find his own way in life, something different from the path his parents had chosen. He attended Harvard, spent 3 years in the Navy, and as life would have it, went on to study in the Demetrios School, his father's sculptural program. He found early success. In 1963, he won a national competition and was commissioned to produce the famous sculpture at Stanford's White Memorial Fountain in Palo Alto. Subsequently, he has done more than 50 monumental public and private commissions, including the Bataan War Memorial on the island of Corregidor, the Fountain Perrine in New York, and the famous 92-foot wind harp in San Francisco. Locally, his most renowned piece is the monumental fountain, The Mentors, at Santa Barbara City College. His new additions to the Jardin de las Granadas are on a much more personal scale. Taken individually, they are standalone testaments to the artist's sense of whimsy and skill. But as a grouping, with their bright primary colors, these pieces, dwarfed by the grouping of city buildings around them, are sturdy reminders that essential to the human condition is the responsibility to find beauty in all things. Sullivan Goss wants to thank all of those that made this installation possible. First, the artist, Aristides Demetrios. Next, Mayor Marty Blum. Also, faithful shepherd of the arts in Santa Barbara, Ginny Brush. Forceful agent for the city, Jeanette Kondo. Landscape architect Katie O'Reilly Rogers, Linda Wells, Victor Garza, installers, electricians, city attorneys, risk managers, park builders, and many, many more.